Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we studied about the crystal system and the crystal which is having how many numbers of atoms per unit cell that we had studied. So, in the simple cube, in the simple cube, in the simple cube, there is one atom is there. Then, in the body centered cube, here there are two atoms are there, and in the face centered cube there are four atoms are there per unit cell. Then in the today's class we will learn about coordination number. Coordination number. Okay, before going to learn about this coordination number, how we have to memorize this 7 crystal system. See Tom, try to reach your heart. Okay, see Tom ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, so he is trying to reach your heart. Okay, C means cubic, T means tetragonal, O means orthorhombic, M is monoclinic, trigonal, then rhombohedral, H is hexagonal. So let's memorize these crystal system with a simple sentence. Okay, this is a smart trick to remember all 7 crystal system. Then they may ask in your examination about these 7 crystal system, then their axis and their angle between them. Okay, they may ask, so make a small table and use this trick to remember. Okay, now we will discuss about the coordination number. We had discussed atom in a unit cell. Each atom in a unit cell has a nearest neighboring atoms. Okay, this is a one unit cell. Okay, this is a one unit cell which is having the atoms at the corner or molecules at the corner. So these each atoms will have the nearest neighboring atom. Okay, here is a one system is here. Okay, then these are systems which will continue like this. Okay, this is the one thing. Then these are the, it will continue. We had taken only one unit cell, so many unit cells are there in the atom. Okay, each atom having the nearest neighboring atom. Okay, nearest neighboring atom. So how this number is called as nearest atom is called as coordination number. The definition is the nearest neighboring atom of the unit cell is called coordination number. Okay, then how it will be in simple cube, how it will be in simple cube structure. How it will be in simple cube structure. So in the crystal system, which is simple crystal structure, each atom has 6 nearest neighboring atom. 6 nearest neighboring atom. how many atoms are here? In the simple cubic structure, there are 6 nearest neighboring atoms are there. Okay, then the coordination number of crystal system, simple cubic crystal system is 6. Each atom which has 4 neighboring system, each atom. Okay, if you had taken this crystallographic axis, okay, so here are the atoms 1 2 3 4. Okay, here is a 1. This is the upper surface of the atom crystal. Okay, here is a 1 atom, 2, sorry, not at the corner. Let's don't considering at the corner, let's consider only at the center of this crystal. Okay, here are there. Then one is here and another one is here. So total how many numbers of atoms are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, the other neighboring atoms which are vertically above and below, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 are in the same plane. Okay, in the last in one of the class we had discussed here number of planes are there like this, which are parallel to each other while studying in the translational vector. While studying in translational vector, we studied about these planes. So if we consider only one plane, okay, in the one plane there are 4 atoms, okay, in the same plane. In the same plane, another 2 atoms will be the neighboring plane, okay, which are vertically below. One is below and one is above the atom. So there are 6 atoms. In case of simple cubic structure system, the unit cell has atom only at the corner of the cube. Simple cubic system consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there is it exists only at the corner of the cube and atoms touch only along the edge of the cube. Atoms which will touch at the edge of the cube. So here the atoms arrangement is loosely packed. Loosely packed atoms are there. Okay, it has 6 nearest neighboring atoms. So what is the which is the example for this simple cubic structure? Polonium is one of the material which is very element, okay, which will exist in this simple cubic structure. Okay, polonium is one of the element which is exist in this simple cube structure. Then second one is body centered structure, B.Sc.VI structure. Okay, then how the B.Sc.VI structure? In the body centered cubic structure, for each corner atom there are 8 surrounding unit cell. In the first one there are 6 atoms are there. Here 8 atoms will be surrounded by the unit cell. Okay, let's draw. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then this is the body center. One is at the center of this structure. Okay, so here 8 surrounding unit cells are there. 8 surrounding unit cells are there. Okay, the nearest atom to the corner of the atom is body centered. The nearest atom which will be equal distance to all 8 atoms. Okay, so that's why it is a body centered atom. And not other the corner atoms. The number of the nearest body centered atoms is 8. Therefore, the coordination number of the BCC structure is 8. For example, for this is barium and sodium, uranium. Okay, these are the simple examples for the body centered structure. Here once again I will explain. In the body centered cubic structure, for each corner atom there are 8 surrounding unit cells are there. One corner atomiಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. The nearest atom to the corner atom is, ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ atom ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ which is the nearest one here. So one more plane we will take here. Okay, so if we consider this atom which is the nearest one here, this is 1 2 3 4, okay, 5 6 6, then this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and one more is 8. Here 8 atoms will be nearest to this corner atom. Okay, for example, these are the example. Then third one is face centered structure. Face centered structure. In the face centered structure, the nearest atom to the corner atom is face centered one. So what is the face centered structure here? This is the face centered structure. Let's draw once again. Okay, this is the, here how many atoms will be here in the face centered cube? There are 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 atoms at the corner. One is upper side, then second one is down at the left hand side, right side, above, below, up, down. Okay, okay, 8 plus 6, there are 12 atoms will be in the face centered cubic structure. The nearest atom, if we consider this corner atom, then which is the nearest one? The nearest atom will be the face centered. Okay, for any corner, if you take any corner of this cube, okay, if I consider this, the nearest one is 1